Hello children, this is Sarika, TGT Social Studies, Sainik School, Rukmapur. Today we are going to have a session on Unit 2 of 9th standard, that is the natural realms of the earth. So earth scientists feel that there are 4 natural realms of the earth. They talk about these 4 realms of the earth. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So all these realms are having common features, and you might have you might have learnt about these realms in your earlier classes also, but we will have some broad features in this session or in this lesson. First of all, we will know about what is lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top of the earth. You can see here the crust. The crust part is called lithosphere, and it comprises of rocks and minerals, and this lithosphere is the word comes from Greek language. Litho means stone or rock, sparia means sphere or ball. It has high mountains, plateaus and deep valleys, plains, etc. And many of these features of lithosphere are shaped by the wind and water, and it heats up due to sun's rays or cools down. About this land-water relationship you will get in the next sessions. And on this realm, the living beings will be living upon. Next realm of the earth is hydrosphere. Here this word also comes from Greek language, that is hydor means water, and some water is found deep down under the earth, like aquifers. You have been learnt about aquifers in your earlier classes. Those also will be consisting under this hydrosphere. So it comprises of all water bodies on the earth, like oceans, ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, etc. Next, atmosphere. This is a thin layer surrounds the earth, and this word also comes from the Greek language. Atmos means vapor, and it consists of large number of gases. You can see in this picture, nitrogen consists of more percentage, that is 78. Then comes to the oxygen, next argon, and water vapor consists of only 2% in the atmosphere. Next is biosphere. This is the very important realm of the earth where we are living upon. As we are living, as it is very important. And the realm of life, including all the bacteria, and above in the atmosphere, in the deep oceans, whatever it is living, all these comes under in the biosphere. And bios is the Greek word, and it means life, and life needs presence of all these three realms. That means without atmosphere, without hydrosphere, without lithosphere, there is no biosphere. That we have to understand. So that's why I told you in the starting of the session that all the three realms are interconnected. And next is orders of the landforms. So we are having 3 orders of landforms. First order of landform is all the continents and oceans comes under first order of the landforms. And the second order of the landforms are plains, mountains, plateaus and volcanoes, whatever we are having only on the continents comes, and which are only on the continents will come under second order of the landforms. So this is the end of the session, and you'll having some worksheet. Write important points of the video and locate all the continents and oceans on an outline map of the world. Hope you all do the worksheet and post your answers post your answer sheet in your groups. Thank you.